The trigger is nothing. Wow. We're here at the Gathering 2022 in the Rock Island Armory booth. Going to check out a cool little 22 rifle. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Here we go, the TM22. Now, you may be thinking, hey, it's just a 22, sort of looks tactical, threaded barrel, red dot, handguard, no big deal, right? Well, what's cool about this is, unlike the vast majority of 22s out there, this one's all metal, hence the TM22. And even the magazines are metal. Now, this is just a 10 rounder here. Let's go. The trigger is nothing. Wow. And you go through 10 just about that quick. So, yeah, that's pretty freaking cool. TM22, Rock Island Armory. I can't believe that I haven't seen this one until today, but looking forward to maybe experiencing a lot more with this one in the near future. Pretty doggone cool. If you're looking for other stuff from the Gathering 2022, probably got some of that locked and loaded right over here. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.